You ever stop to ask yourself, am I taking too much melatonin? Taking melatonin is not a huge concern since it's also a naturally occurring hormone produced by the body to signal when it's time to rest. But the data on high dose and long-term use is pretty scarce, so like with any supplement, there's always some risks to be aware of. Another question you might be asking yourself is, can I get addicted to it? Not really. It doesn't have addictive properties and therefore isn't considered habit forming, but that doesn't mean it can't be abused or lead people to feel reliant on it. This is called a psychological addiction, where there's no significant harm to the body, but someone may be locked into a routine and feel anxious or afraid of what might happen if they stop taking it. Another question you might be asking is, how much is too much? A doctor recommended to us a dose of 5 milligrams, but according to this study, all you really need for a restful effect is 0.3 milligrams. Doctors also advise against taking it for prolonged periods of time, like no more than 3 months. Ultimately, taking too much can destroy your body's natural melatonin production because when your body is exposed to too much of the hormone, your melatonin receptors become unresponsive. This can also mess up your circadian rhythm. If you feel like you do need melatonin in high doses or for prolonged periods of time, your next steps are to 1, try and clean up your sleep hygiene, or 2, see a doctor about potential insomnia or other sleep disorders.